Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to fade an image in Canva. Let's select an image to place it on canvas. I'm selecting Replace Background option in right-click menu to apply this image to the background. Now let me bring another image over it. Let me adjust its size and the spot. Now select the image and click this icon that has black and white spots. It's transparency controller. Slide it left or right to adjust image transparency. And this is how you can fade an image in Canva. We can adjust this image to make it a little bit better. Let me give you another example. Maybe this stars over dark background. Or maybe this rays effect will look better. Adjust the size. Adjust transparency. And now this background can be used anywhere. This image looks even better. Yeah, look at this. Similarly, you can fade images over each other and make cool looking unique backgrounds in Canva. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.